Now let's understand VPC routing. So VPC routing is actually a process of directing traffic within a VPC or to and from external resources. What does that mean? When I'm talking about the within VPC, see, within VPC means within a VPC, we are having multiple devices, right? It can be your storage, it can be your EC2 means virtual machine, it can be your application server, database server, whatever component you are having. You need some connectivity between that one, right? So VPC routing is required to connect the two devices. Or also, if you want to access some resources or internet, then you require one more type of connectivity from here to here. So any kind of connectivity you require, by default within a subnet, you have the connectivity. But when you want to connect from inside to outside, or you want to connect to different VPC, you require some gateways that we will talk about. When we are talking about connecting to outside world, here we are having two types of network traffic. One is inbound and outbound. Inbound traffic is something when from internet somebody is accessing our AWS network. Outbound traffic is required when we want to upload anything, means our traffic is going towards internet. When you are uploading any file to the internet, then it will be outbound traffic. If you want to downloading something or sending traffic from internet to your VPC or your AWS network, it is an inbound traffic. So whatever connectivity you require, this is known as a VPC routing. But how it works? So it's normally works on the basis of your destination, that is also known as target, and types of route you are using. So here you can see this internet gateway, right? So it is helping this instance or these instance which is available in this public subnet, because from public subnet we can have the connectivity to the internet. We are using this internet gateway, and in the route table you can see the destination will be, when you are talking about destination and local, if this range belongs to your VPC, that means here the route is within the VPC itself. So one resource from another resource, for example, by default it is having the connectivity within this range. If you are talking see this one, this 000/0, what it will represent? It represent internet. So whenever any traffic will go to the internet, it requires internet gateway. Internet gateway, in short, being known as IGW. So this is how we need to understand. If this machine, you can see, right, route this one, destination internet. For this one, it is having the connectivity here. So this is how actually VPC routing works, and it uses route table. And we will talk about these all key components in detail in our coming session. For the timing, just understand VPC routing is the process of directing traffic within VPC or external world. Now let's understand multi-VPC routing. So we have taken an example previously for the VPC to the internet. Now we are having multiple VPCs. That means these VPC might be within belong to same region, or it might belong to different region. For example, VPC A is here, VPC B is also here, and VPC C belongs to here. So here we are having R1, here we are having R2. So whenever we are connecting any VPC, means either we are connecting from this one to this one, A to B, we require gateway, or from this VPC to this VPC, we require gateway. So either we are connecting to different VPC, then also we require gateway. Whenever we need to connect from VPC to internet, then also we require gateway. The only thing, when we are having connection between within a VPC, we don't require gateway. So whenever two VPC come into picture, or VPC and internet come into picture, your gateway is required. Next thing, when we are connecting VPC A to VPC B, okay, these are in same region, right? So we need to peer these connections. So what will happen when we are having this peering? These two different network will behave as a single network, and all the resources from this network to this network by default will have the access. And this kind of peering is known as a local peering, or we can say local peering connection. But when we are having connection between different regions VPC, for example, these are known as a remote peering or remote peering connection. So this is how we need to understand how the routing works and what kind of gateway it required, what is the term we use when we are discussing these all things. So guys, that's it in this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my efforts, then don't forget to click on like button, subscribe this channel for more videos, and share with your friends for more feature. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep transforming. See you in the next video.